Everyone, I hope everyone's well today. Got some Clonakilty sausages, got some red Leicester cheese, got some Tesco free range eggs. I've got a cheese roll that left over from yesterday, some Kerrygold, and I've got some jalapenos. Added a bit of spice to my breakfast today, or lunch. So I'm just going to break some eggs. Oh, well, that didn't go to plan, did it? There might be another egg in there. Look at that. I made a mess as well. Right. I'm just going to pop them in the air fryer. Let's heat out. Oh. I'm going to chuck some sausages in there. Oh, these ones are already cut by the looks of it. Well, that's 4 sausages there. Sorted. That's easy. Sausages, air fryer, maybe around here. 11 minutes. Go. So today I decided to chuck some jalapenos in with the eggs, and I've moved the sausages from the left hand side over to the right hand side. So it's a bit like I suppose it's a bit like a toad in the hole without the pudding. I'm just going to sprinkle that and chuck it in the air fryer. Missed. It's in the air fryer. Back in for 1:30. Cheese is melted again. I think I'm just going to wing it. See if this works or not. I'm just going to hopefully just flip that straight in there. It might be better putting that in there. And then giving it the oh. Stop. So there's sausage, egg, jalapeno, and Leicestershire cheese on there. Oh, didn't pull apart very well. There you go. And with the jalapenos, it's going to be lovely. A double sandwich maybe. Right, catch you all later. Bye bye.